When you have an online coaching business that gets thousands of site views every day, it's easy to get high quality leads. If your business already has a lot of traction, then driving traffic with paid ads wouldn't seem like a big deal. But if you're just starting out and no one knows about your courses, how do you get more traffic and get more people to buy from you? Hi, I'm Sacchdev, and in today's video, I will show you how seasoned coaches grow their website traffic and how you can get tons of traffic and leads for your business. Now, before I go any further, I want you to understand one thing, and that is that this video is going to be full of very helpful information. But the real key strategy here is you take one or two different strategies that I'll be talking about and implement them in your business first, instead of trying to do everything at once. So make sure to watch the full video, learn about all the different strategies that businesses are using today, and see which one fits your needs the most. So the first thing coaches and course creators do is to build funnels. Now this is my favorite step, and I love talking about it because funnels are powerful strategies to get tons of traffic on your site very quickly and at unbelievably low costs. When you are just starting out, you want people to trust you as an expert coach, and you want to make sure people get to know who you are and what your brand is all about. And sales funnels help you achieve that really well. A sales funnel is basically a step-by-step process of the customer journey that helps you create and roll out strategic content to your potential customers at various stages of their journey. It's like going from no one knows who you are to literally getting thousands of people checking your business out. So here is how a funnel works. The central piece to a sales funnel is a well-written landing page that has strategically placed call to action buttons. The idea is that the landing page is basically offering a lead magnet, like a product or a content piece, something that people simply can't refuse. It's like a free offer that you give in exchange for their contact information, which means their email IDs. Now I know I said emails, but considering how popular WhatsApp marketing is becoming, you might as well capture phone numbers. This lead magnet could be a free ebook, a course, a guide, template, case study, or anything that you know is of a lot of value to them. So when you promote that landing page through paid ads, social media, YouTube videos, emails, or even WhatsApp, tons of people will come to your landing page and learn about your lead magnet and access it after sharing their contact information. This allows you to get a lot of traffic and capture high quality leads super quickly because your landing page is offering exactly what your potential customers are looking for. And because this lead magnet is usually free or low cost, your cost per lead, meaning the cost to get people to share their contact information, will be very low as well. Once you have captured those leads, you can then retarget them with an upsell or an offer of the actual product that you want to sell. If you've downloaded anything from the internet where you had to give your email address or phone number, that's you accessing a lead magnet. And this is why sales funnels are great, because they exponentially increase your traffic and acquire tons of leads that otherwise would have costed a lot of money. Now there are multiple types of funnels that you can create, but there are 4 sales funnels that most businesses use because of how simple they are to launch. You could do a basic landing page funnel where you could directly offer access to courses, services, or programs. You could also do an ebook funnel, and just like the name suggests, offer free ebooks as the lead magnet. Webinar funnels are great because people love learning live and webinars offer great engagement. But if webinars are not your thing, you could do a simple video funnel where you use your video on the landing page to drive people to download that lead magnet. Whatever the funnel, create a lead magnet that people desperately need or want and simply can't refuse. build a great landing page for that lead magnet, and then start promoting it. This is a tried and tested method and is used by big brands to small businesses, and they work really well. So let me know in the comments which sales funnels will work for your business, and just in case you want to learn more about how you can build high performing sales funnels for your business, I have added the link for a free masterclass in the description. Make sure to check it out. The next thing I would definitely recommend is to look at Quora. This is a great site to access because your target audience is literally asking questions about what they need. There are millions of questions and thousands of topics listed on the platform, from how do you lose 10 kilos in 10 weeks to how do you build a great site. There are tons of questions like these across topics. Now, the great thing about Quora is that most of these questions are also long tail keywords that are also used on Google searches. So that means if you do a great job writing a great answer on Quora, something that gets a lot of likes and shares, the chances are your Quora answer could also start ranking well on Google search organically. Not to mention tons of traffic you can start getting when you add links to your website in your answer, which people can click on and then visit your site. One hack here is to get your answer trending. Write a good answer, but also add a video in the answer. That way people will spend more time reading the answer and watching your video, which will get you more likes and engagement, and finally, maximum traffic. The other reason why people prefer to use Quora to drive traffic is that you can actually promote your answer. Now keep in mind that the answer you've written is to a specific question that people have already asked. That means right now, as of this moment, there are thousands of people literally waiting to see the answer to their questions. So this could be a great way to drive. The third tool that I highly recommend is to be active on Reddit. Reddit is an amazing platform where more than 1.6 billion users across topics and communities access the platform to engage with. So in your case, just go and find something related to your specialty. Go to the communities, these subreddits, and start engaging with people. They're answering their questions and sharing information with links to your landing pages. So Reddit is also another treasure to get traffic from. But the key to getting a lot of traffic from Reddit or Quora is consistency. You can't expect to suddenly get traffic in thousands by writing one post or answer. That doesn't happen. Consistency is what will get you there for sure. The fourth strategy I want to share with you is to use Instagram stories and YouTube shorts. Why these two? Because people love watching short form video content. So when you release Instagram stories or YouTube shorts, the platforms are pushing your short form video content because they know that's what their users want. So with your stories or shorts, talk about your blogs, new products, any promotions, or anything else that you want your audience to know about. And when they watch the content, they go to your site to learn more about what you're offering. This simple hack drives tons of traffic, and you can do that 5, 7, or 10 times a week and get a lot of traffic very quickly. The fifth strategy that I recommend is to write guest posts for sites that already have very large traffic. It could be Medium, Inc., or any other outlet. So if you write a great article that is different or has a new angle to something that people already have written about, blogs or outlets will be happy to incorporate them. And this is a great little hack to get tons of traffic very quickly. Besides building your thought leadership in this domain, just make sure that each blog post and every content piece that you distribute online must have a call to action that makes people want to go to your site. And that's how you increase traffic in your business. So there you have it, 5 strategies that you can work with for your business. Like I said, don't just jump into all of them at the same time. Work with 1 or 2 and see which one works out for your business best. In case you have a hack that worked for your business better, please share them in the comments. I'll be happy to read more. I'll see you back soon in the next video.